All right, guys, it is time for break number 2 of our Hit Parade Big Box Football Series 5 edition. This is our second one on the website, our second and final one. So every spot in the break is going to give you 2 random NFL teams. So 16 spots altogether. You got 5 to 7 autographed memorabilia items in each box. Some huge names that you can find in here. Jaden Daniels autographed jersey. You got some other big names as well. So Rick has got 2 spots in this. Scott J's got 1. Donnie's got 2. Jason B with 3. Paul M's got 3. James, you've got 1. Justin's got 1. Chris W with 2. And then Alan closed out the last spot. So let's go ahead and randomize our teams first. All right, we'll mix this up 5 times. We also are going to do a giveaway for all of you guys. As I mentioned at the top of the stream, got a Gold Rush autographed 16 by 20 sealed box we're going to give away. So everybody in on this break is going to be eligible. All right, 2 spots per, or 2 teams per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times.
Not right now at T-Mobile. Yes. Also at T-Mobile, you save at least 20% versus the other big guys.
I feel like I have to give you something in return for karma. Box of raisins. I'm a mom. A balloon. Banana peel.
It's our best iPhone offer ever. Switch to T-Mobile, get a new iPhone 16 Pro on us. No trade-in needed. We'll even pay off your old phone up to $800.
Take whatever you want.
All right, what is that?
No. With Planters nuts, it's not nuts. It's nuts.
All right, guys, here are your teams. So, Alan, you've got the Chiefs and the Colts. Chris, you've got the Ravens, Cardinals, 49ers, and the Lions. Donnie with the Jags, Dolphins, Patriots, and Eagles. James, you've got the Steelers and the Texans. Jason, you've got the Cowboys, Chargers, Jets, Bucks, Broncos, and the Seahawks. Justin with the Bills and the Bears. Paul, you've got the Giants, Vikings, Packers, Saints, Raiders, Bengals. Rick's got the Falcons, the Rams, my Commanders, and the Browns. And then Scott with the Titans and the Panthers.
If you're HIV negative, you and your healthcare provider can decide if PrEP may be right for you. PrEP means routinely taking prescription medicine before you're exposed to HIV to help reduce your chances of getting it. And it can be 99% effective when taken as prescribed.
I'm gonna get tested and find out about all my prevention options. Because honestly,
All right, guys, there are your teams. All right, let's see if I can't change this up a little bit.
Surf into Tropical Smoothie Cafe with your Ohana. Disney's Lilo and Stitch. Now playing only in theaters. Rated PG.
Cardholders get exclusive tickets to every MLB game. Can I get a couple?
Eligible Capital One Rewards cardholders, you can redeem your rewards with tickets to your favorite MLB teams throughout the season. At Capital One Entertainment, scan the QR code to learn more. Yarborough out. Jonathan Loaisiga is in. He threw 10 pitches on Friday night. See what the mindset of the Dodgers offense is. Everything worked really well for Yarborough, and now Loaisiga doesn't have pitch comp working really well. All right, Eddie, before he gets on the mound again, so they got rid of a guy that was making you look really foolish, and now you got a traditional power pitcher in Loaisiga.
All right, guys, so this is going to be box 15. 15 out of 25. So I'll show you, it's all taped and sealed up here. All right, so in good shape. All right, make sure everything's showing good here. All right, guys, here we go. So all the paper here. All right. Start, looks like a mini helmet first. All right, we're going Browns here. It's going to be a Jerome Ford. Flash alternate helmet. So it's Beckett authenticated. It's a cool looking helmet. All right, so going out to Cleveland on that one. Oh, dude, that's nice. It's going to be the D-Hop. Arizona Cardinals. The game-winning 43-yard Hail Murray. The one that Kyler threw. That was like his rookie year, if I remember correctly. So nice autograph 16 by 20 of that game winner. So it is Fanatics Authenticated. It's number to 43 here in the bottom. That's a sweet looking one there. All right, so Arizona on the board. All right, looks like we got a helmet, maybe a jersey, and then here's a football. All right, JSA authenticated on the football. All right, a little bit of smearing on the auto. Number 12. Any guesses on that one? Like I said, JSL authenticated. There's the sticker. All right, we got a Texans one. Nico Collins. Nice one there. All right, we got a helmet and then a jersey. Let's see what we got on the helmet. Oh, we got the Bears. Looks like a Dunze. I guess that's how he signs it, Romeo. Fanatics authenticated. It is going to be Odunze.
Dodgers trying to chip away at a Yankee lead now down to 6.
All right, that's a nice one there. All right, we got one item left. See if this could be the Jaden Daniels. Oh no. I know who that is. Is that an all-star? Beckett authenticated. It is Mike Allstott. The Bruiser. Chris Berman doing that impression. Nice custom jersey there going out to the Bucks. All right, guys, so that'll do it on the big box. Let's double check and make sure there's nothing else. Yeah, just paper down in there. So we'll get those items in the mail tomorrow. Let's go ahead and do our giveaway. So give me just a second.
Series rematch between the Dodgers and the Yankees. A little more tense on that side than it was a few minutes ago. No swing, and almost got him.
He's got the blue bombs on too. Heard of red bombs for blue bombs.
3 homers in the game for Los Angeles. 12th time they've done that this season.
All right, guys, so we mentioned we're going to give away this Gold Rush Extravaganza Multi-Sport 16 by 20. So let's go ahead and pull up the randomizer here. We'll take all everyone included in this. We'll randomize the list 5 times. The name at the top after 5 is going to win it. So appreciate you guys helping us close this break. All right, so here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going out to Rick. All right, Rick, there you go, man. So let's see what we got. All right, we're going soccer. It's going to be a Carly Lloyd.
Activates your natural gut rhythm overnight for relief that feels amazing. New Duckalax liquid gel.
U.S. Women's National Soccer Team. All right, that's a cool one there. Beckett authenticated. That's cool. All right, Rick, so that one is coming your way. Appreciate you guys jumping in on Big Box. We'll look for more of their series here in the future, and we'll grab some more of them soon.